Stadium in Arlington, Texas, celebrating the recent launch of NYSE Texas. And joining me now with more is Pham, CFO of Strive. Ben, welcome.
Thanks, Kristen. Thanks for having me.
What a beautiful backdrop to celebrate NYSE Texas today.
Yeah, what an amazing venue that we're at today.
Strive is a founding member of NYSE Texas. What does it mean to be a founding member?
So Strive was founded in 2022 as a shareholder-first, pro-capitalism, pro-meritocracy, pro-excellence asset manager at a time when the large incumbent asset managers were pushing social and political agendas that their clients largely disagreed with. And so we were able to build an over $2 billion assets under management business off of the back of that demand. And we have 13 ETFs across equity and fixed income that are all listed on the New York Stock Exchange, and now recently Dole listed on NYSE Texas.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's great to welcome Strive to the NYSE Texas family. I want to learn more about the company and specifically your recent pivot into a Bitcoin treasury firm.
Sure. So earlier this year, we decided to pivot towards becoming a Bitcoin treasury company. And in May of this year, we announced a reverse merger with Asset Entities, a publicly traded company, in order to pursue that strategy. We then subsequently raised a $1.5 billion financing in order to capitalize us and to buy Bitcoin.
Wow. And how does that set Strive apart from other companies in the digital asset space?
So unlike other companies that are coming to this space with legacy operating businesses in other areas, Strive itself is an asset manager, staffed with financial services professionals across a wide range of different disciplines. We're going to deploy that expertise in managing our Bitcoin portfolio and managing our balance sheet. So I'll give you an example. In terms of our balance sheet, we've already started to innovate on the right side of the equation by capitalizing ourselves with not only the largest pipe of any Bitcoin treasury company in the space, but we chose deliberately to do it equity only, such that when we're actually closed and merged, we can take on the leverage that we want, not what was available to us in the private market. On the left side of the equation, on the asset side, we're going to be buying Bitcoin at a discount via distressed Bitcoin claims and potentially acquiring companies that are trading at a discount to net cash. And the point of doing this is to generate alpha for our shareholders and delivering value.
And I see that Strive recently moved to Texas. What was behind that decision?
Look, I can't think of a better place to be based given the values that we were founded on. But I think it's no surprise that a lot of companies are considering that same move. I mean, Tesla did it previously, moving not only their headquarters, but major operations here, and also their incorporation. And I think that Austin is going to continue to be a burgeoning technology hub. Dallas has been and will be a global financial hub with companies like ourselves, companies like Goldman Sachs and Bank of America moving their operations and headquarters down here. And I think that, like they say in Texas, everything is bigger, and we've only done big things since we've been in Texas, and there's more to come on that front.
Everything is bigger in Texas. Ben, welcome to NYSE Texas. Ben's the CFO of Strive. Thank you so much.
Thanks.